Hey guys, what is up? I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you are not bothered or surprised too much of the sell-off in the crypto markets. So let's get into that. We had a big sell-off across the board. Now BTC is down 8% on the day. Ethereum 13%, but it was much more. And for some reason, XRP is up 5%, 6%. I'm just going to ignore it. Anyways, we see BTC here. We had a huge sell-off here. It was down from the high 20%. My 20% range is also here for correction. Ethereum is down 18% from the high, and it was down 23%. And now in the past videos I've talked about the sharp corrections, the sharp sell-offs in a bull market. Why is it like that? Probably because people they kind of know that at some point the party is going to stop, but they're never sure in a bull market. They're never sure when is the top, so they panic sell. They assume that okay, that was the top, and it's very possible that this was the top for BTC and the whole crypto. That's a huge run up. That's a huge bull market. 400%. It's you 500%. You don't get that in any other market really, besides individual stocks like Tesla and what else that go up so much in 1 year, in 2 years. But so it's possible that this was the top and we're going to have a correction, but this is not what I'm expecting. I think this is a correction that was very much not surprising. It was doesn't even look it looks good, like it looks like a huge correction, but a 20%, 30% correction, that's not new in a bull market. So I personally have no reason to assume that this was the top and we're just going to go down from here. But be careful. There's always the risk in a bull market that we hit the top. But so anyways, this on BTC, it went already down 20%. My target is also around 20% to buy more, because I am kind of I don't feel like I have to buy regarding my bet position that my holding position on BTC. But if it goes down 20-30%, and then for Ethereum and other coins as well, I would add to my position. If it goes down 40%, also like at 20, 30 and 40%, if it happens. But 20 is the range for me to buy. It didn't hit it for me, and that's about the holding, because I'm also happy not to add more to my position. I'm can live with that, live with the ups and downs, and just hold the coins that I'm already holding. But as a short-term trade, this is also an opportunity. I assume this is going to go down even more. I'm sure if we don't go below the 90-20% that it has already reached, that at least we will go halfway here and then go up again. So I wouldn't take a long position here, but maybe at 49,000 ish I would take a long position. And on BTC I assume that we won't go to 30%. This is what I'm assuming, because there's, well, a lot of hype in the media and so on, and BTC is just it's difficult to get it down 30%, I think. So I wouldn't wait for a 30% correction, even though in its previous bull markets BTC has constantly done 30% corrections, and sometimes even more. Let's look at Ethereum. The sharp, it's the sell-off is sharp on Ethereum. It's down now. It's down 80%. It was down 24%. Similar to BTC, I assume they will act in the same way. This will go down even more. I am almost certain, for me, that it will reach this 1550 again. If it goes lower or not, I'm not sure, but I think this is like this looks very weak. Yeah, I think it's possible to catch a 30% correction on Ethereum, and this is also a strong long position signal for me. It's possible that it goes even lower, but it also depends on BTC. If BTC drops 30%, then of course 40 or even 50% on Ethereum is very possible, but I think unlikely. I would still be careful, but I would not short it, for example, after it has hit 30%. That seems too much for my taste. And let's look at Ethereum BTC. Very weak. Ethereum is not showing any strength against BTC. Yeah. BTC is kind of like it has decoupled from Ethereum in a way that I didn't anticipate. I thought that Ethereum would outperform BTC, but it's the current reality is that Ethereum is also making higher highs. It's also going higher. It's also in a bull market, but BTC is just stronger. And the main reason probably is that institutions are buying BTC, big companies are buying BTC, and they are not viewing Ethereum as a reserve asset the way they look at BTC. That might change, but also the high fees on Ethereum is giving it a hard time. The high fees on BTC are not giving it a hard time because everybody has accepted them. Nobody's really hoping for change of the in the scaling roadmap of BTC. And but for Ethereum, so I would say for BTC it doesn't matter anymore. The fees can go to 50, 100,000. Like it's not new, and for holding and not doing anything, it doesn't really bother the users because nobody's using it. But on Ethereum, because everybody's doing the tokens swap and NFT stuff, it's an issue users are facing every day. So yeah, we will see. I think some part of the weakness in the Ethereum price action is because of the high fees, and yeah. So that's it on BTC and Ethereum. Again, especially BTC, 20% plus drop is for me. Add to your position, take a long position. It's possible that this was the top, and we are going to go much lower, but I think it's not the case, and I'm not betting on it. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.